We're focused on enabling developers to reach end users with interesting differentiated applications for mobile scenarios. Windows Phone has a very different user experience that it's designed for life in motion, for users being able to get into their phone and get out quickly and not having to just be buried in their phone all the time. And we have a design system that was codenamed Metro that has a very unique look and feel, and it allows developers to build applications that are very unique and differentiated on our platform. We've also done things with integration with other Microsoft platform assets like Xbox Live, and so game developers can build games that integrate directly in with the Xbox Live Gamer network and play games across both their phone and their Xbox 360. We've made our development tools, which are based on Visual Studio and the .NET platform, extremely easy to use. It's the most productive development platform there is for mobile phones. And developers can go to create.msdn.com, download the free tools. It's one download, very easy to set up. And what we hear from developers is that the productivity they see far surpasses the other platforms. And so the barrier to entry is really low. And so we're finding developers are flocking to our platform, one, because they can build things that are very different, and two, it's really easy to get going and it's low cost. And so like today, we've only been in market for just about a month. We already have 3,500 applications in our marketplace, which far surpasses any other mobile phone for the amount of time it's been available. We have a whole bunch of programs that are run out of our developer platform evangelism group, and developers should go to the App Hub at create.msdn.com where they can find out more information about the programs we do offer to ensure that developers can monetize their applications and be successful. We also have two programs for startups. One is called BizSpark, and it's a program where we do provide incentives and funding and so forth for developers building for all of Microsoft's platforms, including Windows Phone, so BizSpark. We also have a program called DreamSpark, which is for students. And it allows students to get started on Microsoft's developer platforms for free, very low cost, with training and incentives and a social program where they can get integrated in and meet other people. So BizSpark and DreamSpark. We have actually two things going on right now. As part of the standard marketplace efforts for Windows Phone, we will be providing developers with analytics and business intelligence about their applications. That'll come online in about a month or so. But what we've done now is we've partnered with a company called Preemptive Solutions. They provide both an analytics platform as well as obfuscation tools for .NET platforms. And they've built a free version, with our partnership with a free version of both their analytics and their obfuscation for Windows Phone developers. And so developers today can get a full analytics package for Windows Phone development free from Preemptive. We think the prospects are really good. The mobile market is still very nascent. And to think that we just 10 years in of it being a smartphone marketplace, that we're already at a point where it's dominated by only two players seems a little crazy to me. The percentage of smartphones versus feature phones in the world is still very small. So there's a huge amount of growth left in all sorts of markets, and we think that we're going to have our fair share of that, and we think we have a great start with Windows Phone. I have a lot of them that I really like. I mentioned this morning an app for drinking, for cocktails. It's called Cocktail Flow. I really like that app. I also really enjoy a bunch of the games that are available on Xbox Live with Windows Phone. There's a really fun game called Elo Milo, which is a very fun 3D interactive game. I play it all the time.